Hi, this is Manali Kanade. I have completed my masters in business management, and before, while doing business management course and master, I was working with SBI Cap Securities. And once I completed masters, I had joined State Street Sintel as a fresher. When I was into this State Street, I came across lot of processes like corporate action, reconciliation, settlements, and at that time it got clicked in my mind that I should do something into the investment banking because interest into these fields was increasing day by day. And then I started searching on internet or through friends, relatives, asking them about the courses or the colleges which would go for investment banking. Once upon a day, I came across the course of investment banking. It called Imartica's course in internet, and I enrolled for the same. And that's how my journey for Imartica started. So the life before Imarticas was very normal. Like I was not having any interest, or there was not a proper career path in front of me. As soon as I was getting the opportunities, I was going on grabbing the same. So first I was into the SBI Cap as in handling inbound calls. Later on I shifted to State Street into the financial background. So it was very much confusing for me to choose a path or what actually is good for me. Before Imarticas, it was very difficult for me to choose a career, but now it is good going. So to rate Imartica's score on the scale of 5, I would rate it as 5 itself. And what I liked most about this course was the knowledge shared by the expertise. Mr. Rajesh was our mentor. He not only taught us the bookish knowledge, but he also gave us the real life experience of his own working into the investment bank field, which for me would help me out into my career and do or get a better person in life. If I wanted to recommend this to my best friend or any other person also, I would really say that it is an amazing course with all real life experiences into the investment banking field. And also I would suggest that to take a course in weekend or weekday into the Thane branch because of Mr. Rajesh. He is the gem of Imarticas, I would say, because he has not only, as I had earlier also said, he has not only taught us what is investment banking or what are the fields in financial sectors, he has also told and also groomed us to how to behave in the financial world. So for me, if I would have to recommend, I'll say it is an amazing and the best course to go for investment banking. I got placed in BNP Paribas this year through Imarticas itself, and I'm really excited to work with this company as it was one of my dreams to work with it. And also into a new team of Collateral, I'm really excited. Seeing me achieve my own goals, my parents are also really happy, and they're also satisfied that I've achieved something through this course of Imarticas into investment banking.